So far we have used the core accounting that every ZetaFisc account includes. But ZetaFisc also has powerful optional modules you can add on. Summit Foods is opening a bakery, so we will add the manufacturing module. We open the module store. This is the module store. There are 3 add-ons: inventory, manufacturing, and HR. The manufacturing module even includes 1 free seat for the administrator, so we can switch it on at no cost. We open manufacturing. The manufacturing module gives us bills of materials, production routing, work orders, machine and power costing, and full inventory tracking. We claim our free seat. We confirm. The module is now active. ZetaFisc automatically gives the administrator the seat, grants the manufacturing permissions, and even sets up a production output warehouse for finished goods. We sign in afresh so the new module loads. And there it is, a whole new manufacturing section in the sidebar, with everything we need: bills of materials, routing, work orders, warehouses, work centers, reports and more. We open the manufacturing menu. First, we set up how production is costed. We open its settings. Manufacturing settings is where we tell ZetaFisc how to cost our production. First, we enable the asset register, so we can record our machines and the system can work out each machine's running cost. We choose how machines depreciate, straight line, the most common method, spreading the cost evenly over the years. Power is a big cost for a Nigerian bakery, so ZetaFisc has a built-in calculator. We click Calculate. Our bakery runs on a generator. We enter the diesel price per liter, how many liters it burns per hour, and the generator's output in kilowatts. ZetaFisc works out the cost per unit of electricity. 220 naira per unit. We apply that to our settings. Next, our operating hours. The bakery runs 300 days a year, 8 hours a day. ZetaFisc uses this to spread machine cost across the hours actually worked. Finally, the ledger accounts for depreciation, the fixed asset account where machines sit, the accumulated depreciation account, and the depreciation expense account. These already exist in our chart of accounts, so we just map them. Everything is set. We save the manufacturing settings. The manufacturing module is installed and configured. In the next videos we will set up our warehouses and items, build the recipe for our bread, and run it all the way through production.